This is code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Discoveries course. I'm on Unit 3, which is Animation and Games, and then I'm on Lesson 6, which is Sprites, Part 6, Debug. Ooh, debugging. This program should create two new sprites, one on the left of the screen, one on the right, but it's only drawing one. You don't need to add any code. What? Just rearrange the code already present to make sure both sprites are shown Okay, well, let's see how it runs. We need both of our sprites to show. Oh, another square. These sprites are boring. So like this. Huh. Well, which one's showing? Is this the left or the right? It's going to be the left. So what's different about this than this? I mean, other than the name and stuff, I think you have to tell it what to draw and then tell it to draw it. So if I just put draw it way up here at the top, the computer runs that first. So it says, okay, I'm going to draw. And I'm going to draw nothing, right? Because it's just going to start drawing right away. So if I hit run, I bet they both disappear. Yeah, there's nothing now. So first, we're going to say, hey, left sprite, right sprite. Okay, now draw them. So you're like talking to the computer, and first you want to tell it what to draw, then tell it to draw. Let's try now. Perfect. And I think, oh, good. That wasn't too bad. All right, let's keep going.